a self-examination once a month. When to do a self-breast examination? 1. Every month after the age of 20. 2. In pregnancy and after menopause. How to do a self-breast examination? 1. In the shower, gently move the fingers from the outside to the center, feeling for lumps, thickening or hard lumps during the examination. 2. In front of the mirror. A. Perform regular breast examination with hands at the bottom, top and hips. B. Standing up, gently move the fingers over the breasts to do a self-examination. 3. Lying down. A. Lie down, place a pillow under the right shoulder, feel for changes in the breast. B. Check for discharge, lastly under the nipple, press gently. If you notice any symptoms of breast cancer, contact Dr. Shilpy Dolas today for any kind of breast health consultation.